In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect DJI Osmo Mobile 6 to Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have this particular model of DJI Osmo Mobile, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to connect it to any Android device. Keep in mind that this will also work with different models of the DJI Osmo. So to do this, first make sure that it is properly inserted. Make sure that both sides are lined up like this. If you notice any inconsistencies and you see that one side is not like the other, or that it is tilted like this, make sure to correct it. Otherwise, the operation is not going to be smooth. So once you ensure that this part here is centered on the middle of the phone and that both sides are parallel, properly lined up and not tilted, then you can move on to enabling Bluetooth. So go to the settings on your Android device under the Bluetooth category and make sure that it is enabled. The primary connection is going to be over Bluetooth. So once you have Bluetooth enabled, you need to download and open the DJI Mimo app. So look for Mimo on the Play Store. You can also download this application from the official DJI website. So if you prefer, go to their website, look for the Mimo app, and once you open the app, as long as you have your phone installed on the Osmo Mobile 6, it should find your device. So to do this, make sure that Bluetooth has been enabled, put both of them in close proximity, aka mounted on the actual pod itself, and once it is mounted and you open the app, you will be able to tap connect. You can also go to your profile and see if there is any option to manually pair it up. Once you tap that button, you will see this message, welcome to Osmo Mobile 6, and it is going to get started. So you tap on the option here, it is going to be tested, and if everything is okay, it will do the setup process for you. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.